What if the rise in gun deaths among kids isn't a tragedy, but a policy outcome? In 2010, the Supreme Court ruled in McDonald v. Chicago that the Second Amendment doesn't just limit federal power, it applies to state and local governments too. That decision struck down Chicago's handgun ban and sharply restricted how cities and states can regulate firearms. In the 13 years since, something startling happened. According to a JAMA Pediatric study published in June 2025, states that loosened gun laws after the ruling saw a steep rise in firearm deaths among children and teens. States that kept or strengthened restrictions, their numbers stayed flat or dropped. Researchers used CDC data to estimate nearly 7,400 more youth firearm deaths occurred than projected. These weren't mostly accidents, they were homicides, suicides, the average age 14. Dr. Jeremy Faust, the study's lead author and an ER doctor, called it an epidemic getting worse. But it doesn't strike evenly. Black children, already at the highest risk, saw the largest increases in states with permissive laws. Meanwhile, states like California and New York passed red flag laws, capped magazine sizes, and added background checks for ammunition. The result? Fewer deaths. A public health intervention by way of legislation. So what does it mean when one country under the same constitution produces two opposing realities? If evidence shows some laws save lives, what exactly is being protected when we choose not to act? What happens when a constitutional right collides with a public health crisis? And who defines freedom? When your child is the one who doesn't come home? Please subscribe to the Intellectualist's new YouTube channel, where we present insightful videos analyzing the current events shaping the world. Turn on notifications to receive the latest updates from the channel.